All right, everybody, welcome in to this deep dive. And this one is for you, automotive professionals, dealership teams, all of you folks who are right there in the thick of it, seeing this massive shift that's happening in car retail right now.
Yep.
We're seeing AI. It's not science fiction anymore.
Not at all.
This is happening right here, right now. And today, what we really want to do is get into the how do we move beyond just understanding what AI is? Everybody's heard all the hype, and really get down to how do you actually use it strategically
Right.
in your dealership to grow in a real and lasting way.
Yeah, absolutely. And what we see a lot is people get their feet wet with AI, right? Like they'll play around with it, try a few things, maybe even go through like a first 30-day kind of intro program or something.
Like an introductory course.
Exactly. And the big thing to remember is that that's just the beginning,
Yeah.
right? That's not the final destination.
You're done.
It's like getting on the on-ramp to a highway.
Right.
That's going to take you somewhere completely different.
So it's like those first 30 days are almost like the on-ramp to the real transformation.
100%. And the transformation is big.
Yeah.
It's how your whole dealership operates.
Oh, okay.
How you connect with customers, how you build for the future. It's using AI as like a core engine for everything you do.
Okay, that's huge. And to unpack that a little bit more, because I know that for a lot of our listeners, those of you who are in the dealerships day in and day out, juggling sales targets, managing teams, all of that.
Right.
The idea of a big overhaul,
It can feel overwhelming.
it can feel like, oh my gosh, another thing to do, another thing to learn.
Yeah, and you're already busy enough.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But the thing is, with the 30-day AI protocol transformation system we're diving into today, and by the way, we think it's the most comprehensive AI methodology out there built specifically for dealerships.
Yeah, for car dealerships.
It's not about adding complexity.
No?
It's
Yes.
about unlocking potential that you probably didn't even know you had.
Right. It's about those opportunities that just weren't possible before.
So it's not just like a software upgrade or something.
So much bigger than that.
It's like rethinking the whole game.
It's really reimagining how you do business from the ground up.
Okay. Now, I love that.
Yeah.
Because if you think about the traditional dealership model,
Mm-hmm.
a lot of it, it's still pretty manual, right?
Very manual.
You're relying on individual intuition.
A lot. Lots of gut feeling.
Yeah, and AI, it's like it brings this layer of intelligence and automation.
Right. It can kind of weave itself through all those different functions.
Okay.
And give you these insights into your customers, personalize how you talk to them, streamline everything, just make it so much more efficient. And you know what happens when you get efficient.
You make more money.
Exactly.
Okay, so the 30-day AI protocol, this is our roadmap today. It's giving us the structure to start integrating that intelligence.
Mm.
Now, one thing I really appreciate about the material we're looking at is it doesn't shy away from the challenge.
No, it's very real.
And there's this analogy that really stuck with me. Rebuilding an airplane while it's still flying.
That's a good one.
You're trying to evolve your dealership for this AI-powered future.
Right.
But you've also got to keep hitting those sales goals.
You got to keep the lights on.
Keep the customers happy. You can't just stop everything and rebuild.
Right. It's like changing a tire while you're driving down the road.
Yeah, that's a tightrope walk for sure.
For sure.
So how does the 30-day AI protocol help with that? Like, how do you do both?
Okay, so they have this thing called the 30 Days to Sell Cars Action Plan.
Okay, I've heard of that.
It's not just a day-by-day guide. It's powered by the 30-day AI protocol.
What does that even mean?
It means it takes all those big AI concepts and turns them into specific things you can do right now to make more money.
Oh, I like that.
It's about seeing results today while you're setting yourself up for that long-term AI integration.
So it's almost like you've got this big long-term vision of where you want to be, but this is the initial flight plan.
Exactly. It's that focused first step to get you moving in the right direction.
And it's not just theory, right?
Right.
It's about actually getting more leads,
More qualified leads.
better customer interactions,
Yeah.
maybe even closing deals faster.
That's the goal.
So it's showing you the value of using this protocol right away.
Exactly. You see the impact immediately.
That's really smart.
Now, the thing is, every dealership is different, right?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Different markets, different teams, different customers. So even with this awesome action plan, you might need a little extra guidance.
Yeah, you might be thinking, okay, this 30-day plan, this is great, but then what?
Right.
What about day 31?
What happens next?
And how do I make sure that I'm really squeezing every last drop of potential? out of AI for my specific dealership.
Right. How do you customize it?
Yeah, and let's not forget the practical stuff, like where do I even find the right AI tools?
And how do you know which ones are actually good?
Yeah, are these the right ones for me?
Right. So many questions.
So many questions, and that's where this whole support system around the 30-day AI protocol becomes so important.
It's huge.
So the material talks about a few different options.
Yeah.
First up, the Mastery Playbooks platform.
This is cool.
What is that?
It's like this online library
Okay.
packed with years of experience in automotive retail, but it's all updated for AI.
It's not your grandpa's playbook.
No, it's cutting edge. It's all about how to use AI right now to win.
So it's like having this digital mentor almost.
Yeah, and you can access it whenever you want.
So it's self-paced?
Self-paced, you go at your own speed, you focus on what you need right now.
I love that. So you could be, trying to figure out AI for SEO.
Yeah.
Or social media prospecting, or even generative AI. Everyone's talking about that.
It's everywhere.
Like, how do you use that to create killer marketing content?
That's a good one.
Yeah, and I see it also covers this Mastery Engine framework.
Oh, yeah, that's the secret sauce.
What is that in a nutshell?
It's the methodology that makes AI integration stick. It's about constantly learning, testing, and optimizing your AI strategy.
Got it.
You're building a system in your dealership that not only implements AI, but also learns and gets better over time.
So it's not just set it and forget it.
No, it's about continuous improvement.
You're building a muscle for using AI better and better.
Exactly.
Okay, now sometimes you need a little more hands-on help, right?
Absolutely.
So the material also talks about personal support options, like what kind of stuff?
So you can get one-on-one coaching team workshops tailored to your dealership, even implementation guidance.
So it's like having an AI expert in your corner.
Yeah, someone to help you figure out how to apply the 30-day AI protocol to your specific situation.
Solve problems.
Troubleshoot, get you moving faster.
That's really cool. And then there's an option for dealerships that want to go even faster.
Turbocharge it.
Yeah, and maybe they don't have the people to do it all themselves.
Right.
The done-for-you services through turbo marketing solutions.
Yeah, this is like hitting the fast-forward button on your AI transformation. You're partnering with a team that lives and breathes AI for car dealerships.
Got it.
They have all the tools, all the systems ready to go.
So you're getting results faster.
Much faster, and in this world, speed is key.
It's a competitive advantage.
Absolutely.
Okay, and then the last thing the material highlights is community.
Oh, yeah.
This high-level mastermind group, I think this is so underrated.
It's huge.
What's so powerful about it?
You're connecting with other dealers,
Yeah.
other professionals who are all in on AI.
People who get it.
Yeah, they're facing the same challenges, testing the same solutions, celebrating the wins together.
They're not alone.
Exactly. You learn from each other, you get ideas, you stay motivated.
It's that shared journey.
That's a powerful thing.
And it's accountability too, right?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Okay, so let's shift gears a little bit and talk about the future.
Let's do it.
The material paints this really interesting picture of what automotive retail could look like with AI playing this even bigger role.
Inside.
And the key takeaway for me is this isn't just something that's going to happen to you.
You're not a passenger.
You're not a passenger. You get to shape this future.
You're the driver.
Yeah, by embracing this protocol, by building these AI systems, by using data to make smarter decisions.
You're defining what car dealerships will become.
That's amazing.
It's a chance to be a leader, to really innovate.
Not just survive, but thrive.
Exactly.
And the material makes it clear you don't have to be perfect right out of the gate.
No, it's a journey.
This whole AI thing, it's about learning and adapting along the way.
You're going to experiment. You might hit some bumps in the road,
Sure.
but you learn from it and you keep making progress.
So it's that commitment to getting better every day.
That's the key.
So for all of you listening, dealership owners, general managers, marketing teams, what's the next step?
What do you do right now?
The material really emphasizes action.
Take action today.
So whether that's diving into that 30 days to sell cars plan, joining that Mastery Playbooks community, maybe you need some coaching.
Or the done-for-you services.
Or connecting with other dealers in that mastermind group.
Find what works for you.
But take action.
Move forward.
And the material points you to a specific place to do that.
Yeah.
www.seancassie.com.
That's the hub.
That's where you can find out more about the 30 days to sell cars system,
The Mastery Playbooks.
the coaching options.
The done-for-you turbo marketing solutions.
It's all there.
Find what you need and get started.
I love it. All right, so as we wrap up this deep dive, I want to leave you with a really powerful question that comes straight from the material.
Okay, Hit us with it.
Are you ready to write your chapter in automotive history?
Wow, that's a good one.
Because that's what we're talking about here.
Yeah, this is history in the
And
making
this is a chance to be a part of something huge.
to shape the future.
And it all starts with you.
So remember the 30-day AI protocol. It's not just a one-time thing.
It's a journey.
It's the beginning of a transformation that's going to keep going and going.
And as we've talked about today, there's a ton of support out there to help you.
Absolutely.
So find what works for you and take that next step.
You got this.
The future of automotive retail, it's not set in stone.
You get to write it.
Your decisions, your successes, they're going to determine what it looks like.
So go out there and make it happen.
We believe in you.
We do.
This is going to be an amazing ride.
Buckle up.
Let's do it.
Let's go.